Hi everyone, this is Jarle for Cloud9 Crafts. I have a short video for you where I want to show you how I re-ink my Distress Oxides ink pads. I just did this with my oxide inks, but actually this technique works for re-inking every ink pad you may have. So I have my re-inkers here. I just store them in a little plastic container. I don't have all of the colors, just the ones that I use most of the time, so the ones that need re-inking the most, like peacock feathers, spun sugar and cracked pistachio. I'm starting with the Tattered Rose Distress Oxide. I very consciously read the color of the ink pad so I can find the right re-inker. You really want to make sure that you have the right ink color. So please read your label so you have the right bottle to re-ink the pad. Now, as you can see here, the ink isn't distributed evenly in the bottle. So you really want to shake your bottle before you re-ink your pad. In the oxide re-inkers, you can hear a little ball swirl around just to make sure that everything is nicely mixed. Then you open the bottle and you take the lid off your ink pad. I just zigzag around the whole ink pad from top to bottom. And then I let the ink soak in for a bit, as you can see here. Then I turn my ink pad 90 degrees and I zigzag a second time from top to bottom. This makes sure that the ink is evenly distributed over the whole ink pad. Now, when the ink is soaked in a bit, I go over the ink pad with my Misty ruler. You can use this plastic ruler or an old plastic gift card or something, just don't use a metal ruler for it. This makes sure that the whole mixture of ink is inside the ink pad. This Tattered Rose was super dry, so I just repeated the process again. I zigzagged across the ink pad, let it soak in a few seconds, and then went over it with my ruler once again. With a clean kitchen towel, I'm just cleaning that ruler here, and then after that I am cleaning up the edges of the ink pad a bit, and then I can close it again. Very important is that you don't use the ink pad immediately. You really want to wait about 20 minutes to half an hour before using it. Also, let it sit horizontally and don't store it vertically at this point. I let it stand on my desk a while before storing it again in my oxide containers. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Happy crafting, everyone! Bye!